The Porsche 7182025 model continues the legacy of precision engineering and thrilling performance. With its mid-engine layout, lightweight chassis, and driver-focused design, it remains one of the most engaging sports cars on the market. The exterior design is sharp and aerodynamic, featuring updated LED matrix headlights, larger air intakes, and a sleek rear light strip connecting the taillights. New alloy wheels and vibrant color options enhance its already stunning presence on the road. Under the hood, the 718 offers multiple engine choices, catering to both enthusiasts and hardcore track drivers. The base model is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine producing 300 horsepower, while the 718S variant gets a 2.5-liter turbocharged flat-4 with 350 horsepower. For those craving naturally aspirated power, the GTS 4.0 models feature a 4.0-liter flat-6 generating 394 horsepower, delivering an exhilarating high-revving experience. The top-of-the-line Spider RS borrows a GT3-derived 4.0-liter flat-6, pushing an impressive 493 horsepower with a screaming 9,000 APM redline. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual for pure driving engagement or a 7-speed PDK automatic for lightning-fast shifts. Their 0 to 100 km/h time ranges from 4.9 seconds in the base model to just 3.2 seconds in the Spider RS. Inside, the 718 offers a modern yet driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. A new 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. A fully digital instrument cluster enhances customization, while the GT-style steering wheel features a drive mode selector for quick performance adjustments. Optional Bose or Burmester sound systems deliver premium audio quality, complementing the car's exhilarating drive. Handling remains a key highlight, with Porsche's active suspension management, PASM, lowering the car for improved stability and responsiveness.